Okay, so we're going to turn on the air filter and take this one off here. It's a Briggs & Stratton 17 horsepower engine. Take this one off. Now look at that, pretty nasty. Take this one off. Right there. That's pretty nasty. The whole thing is nasty. And so what we're going to replace it is with this one here. See, along with the filter on the outside. See that and that? That's what we're going to replace it. And we got it right here, the John Deere. We put this right over this. Easy does it, so it doesn't rip. It's actually kind of sharp too, so. This back on, clean this all out of here. Clean this out. There we go, back onto here. Okay, that goes back onto here, like so. Nice. Okay. Back on. Now, I'm also got to do the spark plug. So, spark plug's other side. Okay, so, and back on. Here we go. Good to go.